Today, I'll show you how to make Yaki Onigiri Chazuke, grilled rice ball in a dashi broth. こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook. When you are hungry late at night, this Yaki Onigiri Chazuke is a perfect comforting snack. I usually keep Yaki Onigiri in the freezer so I can quickly make it when my family is hungry. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
First, let's make Yaki Onigiri grilled rice balls. I have a detailed video tutorial for this recipe, so you can click the top right corner or find the link in the description box below. You can freeze extra Yaki Onigiri and make this recipe as snack or light meal anytime. I use a dashi packet to quickly make Japanese soup stock. In a medium saucepan, add 2 cups of water and 1 dashi packet. Start cooking over medium heat. When it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to medium-low and shake the packet a few times to release more flavor. Simmer for 2-3 minutes and discard the packet. Add 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt and 1 teaspoon soy sauce and turn off the heat. Cut mitsuba into thin slices. You can substitute mitsuba with green onions or shiso leaves. Place a warm yaki onigiri in each individual bowl. Add the mitsuba and furikake on top and pour the soup broth. Don't submerge the yaki onigiri and keep the crispy surface for the best texture. Reserve the leftover broth and add later as you enjoy the dish. Enjoy! いただきます。
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!